How to add shapes and designs in your Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add shapes and objects in your Canva design. So in order to do this, the first thing that you will need to do is open your Canva application in your Windows 11 PC. So as here you can see that I have opened my Canva application, and you will be greeted with this particular Canva interface right here. So now moving on, either you have already created a project, then you can simply access that project. But currently I haven't created any project, so I'm gonna create a new one. So in order to create a project, simply click onto this plus icon over the left hand side corner. And once you will do this, you can select the project that you want to create. So let's go with any of the following. Let's say a presentation. So I'm going to click onto this presentation option, and now suppose this is the Canva design in which you want to add your shapes. So in order to do this, you need to click onto this elements tab over the left hand side corner. So once you will click onto this elements tab, you can see a number of elements that you can add, and in order to add shapes, you can see this second section that says shapes. So simply click onto this see all button in order to access all of the available shapes. So from here you can search the shapes if you want, or you can manually access them. The first section is for lines, the another one is for different types of shapes. So for example, let's say a square. So simply click onto any shape in order to add it into your canvas. So let me add this star shape. So simply click, and here you can see that it has been added to our Canva design. And similarly, you can find tons of shape and lines in our Canva application, and using this you can add the shapes and lines as per your preference. If you want to change the size of the shape, simply click onto them, and from here you can increase the size, decrease the size, and you can also increase or decrease their breadth or height as well. So you have basically the full control over the dimensions of your shape. You can also choose to set their color by clicking onto this color icon at the top, and from here you can give them a new color if you want. And similarly for this shape as well, you can change its dimensions, and you can also change its color as well. So that's how easily you can add and customize shapes in your Canva design. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.